Hi, it's Shirley Nilsen with Sunrise Realty Group. I'm setting up this series of tips to help keep you updated on the market and explain some of the do's and don'ts, whether you're a buyer or a seller. I cover a lot of different topics, but don't hesitate to let me know if there's a particular topic you'd like to know more about. I have a lot of other reports and videos I can share, and I'm always open for suggestions. In this buying a home in a seller's market tip, I'm going to explain the best way to get your offer accepted in a competitive market. There aren't nearly as many bank-owned properties available as there were a couple years ago, and even the ones that are listed are competitively priced. Don't narrow down your search to foreclosures only, as they're not necessarily a better deal. Getting lowball offers accepted just doesn't work in a seller's market. It can actually cause the seller to be less willing to work with you. Inventory is very low right now, and that, along with the abundance of buyers, has turned the market from a buyer's to a seller's. Because of the low inventory, buyers are competing for the best ones. Homes on average are selling very close to their asking price, and if you need to ask the seller to pay some or all of your closing costs, we need to take that into consideration. That is the same as asking them to reduce their price by that amount. If you've shopped around enough and found the one you want, make a strong offer. And it's very important to be pre-approved for the home loan beforehand. Not being pre-approved makes your offer weak and may not even be considered until you get that pre-approval, which could potentially cause you to lose out to another buyer. Trust your realtor. Realtors are in the trenches every day and know what the market's doing. Friends, family, and co-workers will offer advice, but many feel it's still a buyer's market of a couple years ago. And even though they're trying to be helpful, the advice is often outdated. Listen to and trust your realtor. Make the offer as clean and simple as possible. If you need to sell your home first, sell it first. It puts you in a much stronger position. Know what's new and be the first to take a look. Team up with a proactive, experienced realtor that consistently has their eyes on the market. Don't just choose an agent because they represent a listing online or because they advertise as a top producer. Pick an agent that's familiar with the areas you're looking in and one that has experience. Ask them a lot of questions. I personally specialize in East Clackamas and East Multnomah counties selling residential property. Well, that's it for now. Check out the links in the box below for more helpful information. And if there's something in particular on your mind, just give me a call or shoot me an email. I read them all and will respond shortly. I'm looking forward to helping you, and I'll be here when you're ready. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you again soon.